multiple credit cards. Tapos tumaas na yung credit limit ko. Tapos during that time, I maxed it out. 1.8 million na yung total. Tapos tinatawagan na ako ng mga collections na talaga siya. So I had to settle it after ilang years.
Darating ka sa isang punto sa buhay mo na yan ang pinang-sustain mo. Okay? Why? When people also want to cope with the Joneses next door, pag nakita mong may buhaya yung t-shirt niya, dapat may buhaya rin yung akin. During our time, long time ago, Lacoste lang naman yung mga shirts nun. At pag naka-Lacoste ka, pagpalaka yung nandoon sa dibdib mo, Jordana ito. Pagpalaka yung di ba, parang kailang yan. Kinakain ng buhaya yung palaka mo. So gusto mo, buhaya rin yung suot mo hanggang marirealize mo. Baon na pala. Ginagamit mo pala yung credit card mo. Darating yung panahon na pag ang income mo is already comfortable, allows you to comfortably settle it, get out of the trap. I always advise young ones, once you're able to find a windfall, magkaroon ka ng pera, sumobra, binalatuan ka ng napaka-bait mong ninong ng aginaldo dahil hindi mo siya nakikita over a long period of time, or someone gave you a good bonus at work, pay off all of your debts immediately and start living a frugal life of focusing on your needs. Wala ka na kailangan patunayan during that time. As I've said, alam mo nang nakatikim ka na ng t-shirt na may buhaya.